the question I would broaden with saying that there is this LLM model behind every AI engine which does the job for you. So is it like worthwhile um, understanding the math around how the LLM works and how to refine the model? Or you have so many AI tools and you just get familiar with all the tools. Each tool does a specific job, it's for a specific purpose. So in your view, what would be the best way of going forward and learning it and applying it?
Uh, Before I answer this question, I want to say something. Words might be here and there, लेकिन हिंदी में वो एक कहावत है, जो अपनी मदद नहीं करता ना उसकी भगवान भी मदद नहीं करता. So I think upskilling is only that person's responsibility. मैं अगर ये एक्सपेक्ट करूं कि मेरी कोई कंपनी आकर मेरे को एक सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स कराएगी या मैं किसी ऑक्सफोर्ड में जाकर आईआईटी में जाकर एक सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स कर लेता हूँ मेरे को एआई आ जाएगा, तो घंटा एआई आएगा.
Correct.
The best way, now to answer your question, the best way to do it is go on youtube.com. That's the best edtech company in the world. If not, there are so many other things. You can just learn AI yourself.
Okay.
Now, in my view, how do you do it? That's I can just tell you how I did it. I understand little bit how models work. I understand how or why LLMs actually are possible. I mean, suddenly it became like 2022, it became possible because 2017-18 में Google released a transformer architecture and all. By the way, a side thing, I tried building ChatGPT way back in 2016.
Oh.
Before transformer architecture came.
Okay.
But that's a separate conversation. So again, to come back to your question, go on youtube.com. The first thing that you should do is understand the basics of LLM. If you are a developer, I'm not expecting a marketing person to do it.
No, I'm talking specifically from a developer,
builder, product manager,
Yes.
QA. जाकर
Correct.
समझो, तुम सब में इतना है कि जाकर समझो कि एक LLM काम कैसे करता है.
Yes.
वो प्रोबेबिलिटी पे काम करता है, एक फंक्शन पे काम करता है. तुम्हें मैथ सीखने की जरूरत नहीं है, बट अंडरस्टैंड अ लेवल 0 ऑफ हाउ LLMs वर्क. व्हाट इज ट्रांसफॉर्मर आर्किटेक्चर?
Okay.
ठीक है, कोई मुझसे भी लेवल 1 पूछेगा, मुझे भी नहीं पता ट्रांसफॉर्मर का, बट दैट्स द बेसिक अ इंजीनियर शुड नो. आफ्टर दैट a person should actually start using tools. They should, I mean, models बनाना ये सब छोड़ दो. मतलब it also requires a lot of capital, whatever. Again, I don't think so making models make sense commercially. Of course, from a nationalist point of view, it makes sense. It might make sense. But commercially, it might not make sense at all. Of course, fine-tuning your model or doing the post-training of taking a model and post-training it for a specific task like coding, marketing, that you can do. But I think 99.9% of the developers, engineers should not do unless they aspire to create a model for India.
Okay.
ठीक है, तुम जाकर टूल्स यूज करना सीख लो और अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी 10x कर लो. It will 99.9% of the people should do that.
Okay.
That's what I am doing it, and my productivity is 10x.